Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding concepts of statistics in just 2 minutes. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of nominal data. So what is nominal data? Nominal data is used only for naming or labeling categories. No order, no ranking, no numerical value attached to these categories. Let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose we are conducting a survey and participants were asked to identify their gender as either male or female or other. So here suppose we assign values. 1 is assigned to male, 2 is assigned to female, and 3 is assigned to other categories. So here participants are classified into various categories without any orders. We are just saying that category 1 is different from category 2 and 3. Category 2 is different from other two categories, or 3 is different from other two categories. We are not saying that category 2 is greater than 1 or 3 is greater than 2. That means order is not important in assigning labels to these various categories. Now, what is the usefulness of nominal data? So basically we can categorize our participants or people or our observations into various qualities, based on various qualities, and therefore we can compare two groups. Now here we can also find the frequencies in each group, that how many male respondents are there in our survey, or female respondents, or respondents belong to other categories. So that is the idea of nominal data. If you like it, share it.